If you've been seeing creators suddenly losing monetization or getting yellow dollar signs in 2025, this video is your warning, because YouTube's new policy update has already started taking down thousands of channels, especially faceless, AI-generated, and repetitive content creators. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly what changed, who's at risk, and how you can stay fully monetized, even after 2025. Segment 1, the big 2025 YouTube update. So what actually happened? In early October 2025, YouTube quietly updated its partner program policies. Now, channels that rely on mass-produced or repetitive content can lose monetization instantly. That includes AI videos with no original voice or commentary, reused stock clips with no added value, faceless compilation channels, and even automation channels that post near-identical videos daily. YouTube says they want original, authentic content that adds new perspective. In short, YouTube doesn't hate AI, it hates laziness. Segment 2, who's losing monetization? Let's talk about who's really getting hit. If your videos are 90% AI voiceovers, generic B-roll, or copy-pasted scripts from other channels, you're already in danger. Thousands of channels in niches like motivational quotes, celebrity news, and AI facts have already been flagged as low-value, repetitive content. But here's the twist. Even big creators who run automation channels are being forced to show originality now. So yes, 2025 is cleaning up YouTube, but it's also creating a huge opportunity for creators who know what to do next. Segment 3, how to stay monetized all right. Here's how you stay monetized and safe after 2025. These are strategies top YouTubers are quietly using right now. 1. Add your own commentary or voice. You can still use AI, but narrate, react, or explain in your own style. Make it feel human. 2. Bring value. Don't just repeat. YouTube wants something new. Add opinions, research, or storytelling instead of reusing scripts or facts. 3. Mix AI plus creativity. Use AI for visuals, editing, or ideas, not for entire videos. Combine your creativity with AI's power. 4. Use YouTube's new tools. Shorts monetization is rising fast, especially with app promotion ads. Use them early to diversify income. 5. Stay transparent. Always disclose AI use if it's major. YouTube rewards honest creators with more trust and reach. Segment 4, the smart way to grow. Here's a fact. 2025 isn't the end of faceless channels. It's the end of lazy ones. Creators who focus on storytelling, unique presentation, and audience value are growing faster than ever. So if you want to make money this year, stop chasing quick templates and start building a brand that stands out. The algorithm is watching for quality, and it's rewarding it. So that's how you stay monetized and safe after the 2025 YouTube crackdown. I'll be dropping a full breakdown soon on how AI channels can still earn $5,000 plus a month without
breaking the rules.
Subscribe button, drop a stay monetized in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll expose which niches are still 100% safe for faceless channels.